Positive and negative motivations for your dog. There are a lot of things people have to remember when they start dog training. There are a lot of different dog training techniques to try. With so many different aspects of dog training, it is sometimes hard to know what techniques work best. One of the biggest things that often confuse people with regards to dog training is when to reward your dog and when to reprimand your dog. Most dog training course instructors will tell you that positive dog training is the best technique to utilize. Unfortunately, there are some instances when you have to reprimand your dog. Reprimanding your dog should not happen often, as dogs respond better to positive reinforcement used in dog training. Before you learn when to reprimand your dog, you should first learn when to reward your dog. You should reward your dog any time your dog does something it is supposed to during dog training. This can be when it sits, stays, eliminates where it should, fetches, etc. And the reward you use during your dog training can be many things: praise, kind words, tummy rub, pat on the head, or a treat. Dogs learn very quickly from positive dog training. Dogs tend to want to make you happy, and this is why they do so well with this type of dog training. However, be sure to never reward bad behaviour. For a young dog, bear in mind that it will not always be so young and light in weight, so don't reward behaviours that will be unwanted when it's a big dog later on, such as jumping up on people. Reprimanding is a type of dog training that should not be done unless necessary. This can be when your dog jumps, eliminates in the wrong place, barks, growls, pulls on the leash, destroys something, etc. You must only reprimand your dog if you catch it in the act of doing something wrong, otherwise your dog will not realize what it did. The reprimand used for this dog training should be a quick, sharp "no" or "bad dog". Your tone should be angry, but remember to be short and quick. If you constantly do this, your words will end up being ignored by the dog. Never spank, hit, or constantly scold your dog, as this will only lead to more problems in the future. These are all important things you need to focus on when determining when to reprimand or reward your dog during training. Remember to be patient because your dog is learning and trying its best. With some love and consideration, your dog should do quite well with its training, which will be a rewarding experience for you both.